Question 5 on exercise 2.2b reads, using diagrams that is circle, we have to find the HCF of 42 and 80. HCF simply means highest common factor of 42 and 60. And how do we do this? We can get the HCF using diagrams by first and foremost expressing 42 and 60 as a product of its prime factors. Thereafter, we represent them using diagrams where we have two circles with a point of intersection, and that point of intersection is said to contain prime numbers of 42 and 60 that are common, while the other regions are said to house prime factors of 42 and 60 that are not common. Thereafter, for us to get the HCF, we said it's going to be the product of those numbers you find in the intersection, and that gives you the HCF. We shall now express 42 and 60 as product of its prime factors. 42 can be expressed as a product of its prime factors by dividing by prime factors, which is 2. Start with 2. 2 is said to be divisible. 42 is said to be divisible by 2 because 2 is divisible by 2, which is the last digit. So 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. Is 21 divisible by 2? No, because the last digit, which is 1, is not divisible by 2. So we test using the next prime number, which is 3. Is 21 divisible by 3? Yes, because the rules for divisibility by 3 says that the sum of the digits in that number must be a multiple of 3. And if you add 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. So 21 is said to be divisible by 3. 3 into 21 is said to be 7. At this point, 7 is no longer divisible by 3 because it is also a prime number. So 7 into itself is 1. And 42 can be expressed as the product of its prime factors to be 2 times 3 times 7. We'll do same for 60. Starting with 2. 60 is divisible by 2 because 0 is divisible by 2. 2 into 3. 2 into 6 is 3. And 2 into 0 is 0. 2 is still divisible for same reasons. 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1. 2 into 10 is 5. 15 is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is not a multiple of 2. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, because 15 is divisible by 3. If you add 1 plus 5, it gives you 6, which is a multiple of 3. So that makes 15 being divisible by 3, which is the condition for divisibility by 3. 3 into 15 is 5, and 5 into itself is 1. So expressing 60 as the product of its prime factors, we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. We'll now circle out the common factors, which are these and this. So representing this in a circular form, we have this circle as well as this. This will house the factors of 42 and this for 60. The intersection will be for those that are common, which is 2 and 3. While for those you can find in 42 only, you have 7 and this is 2 and 5. So the HCF now is said to be those you find in this intersection. So HCF of 42 and 60 is said to be the product of 2 and 3. And 2 times 3 is said to be 6. So 6 is said to be the highest common factor of 42 and 60. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next question on exercise 2.2. Question